This is the story of how Mana finds fire. It's a perfect day for camping in the backyard. Clever Mana has built himself a tent. Carefully, he piles sticks to build himself a campfire.
Brr, this is no good.
Mana wonders what he can do. He knows it isn't safe to play with real fire. He remembers the tale of Maui Tiki and how he wanted to know the origins of fire. From the union of Awahiroa and Mahuika came forth the fiery fingernails, ko nui, ko roa, mapere, manawa, and ko iti. Mischievous Maui was curious to see what would happen if he put out all the fire in the world. With no fire to cook or keep warm, the village despaired. "What will we do?" they cried. "I will go to the cave of Mahuika," declared Maui. The villagers celebrated. They didn't know that he had played a trick on them, and that he would also play a trick on Mahuika. One by one, Maui put out all the flames given to him by Mahuika.
"Grr, I only have one fingernail left,"
she cried. Her final flame grew into a giant fireball, which she threw at Maui. He dodged the flame and they hit the trees behind him. Kai kōmako, māhoe, tōtara, pukatea, and patete. To this day, the spark of Mahuika lives within these trees, and the wood can be used to start fire. Fire that is used for cooking and for keeping warm.
Aha!
Mana now knows where he can find fire. Obsessed with her fiery-coloured fingernails, Mana's grumpy sister will have the power to create fire. Quietly, he sneaks in through her bedroom door.
There you are.
What do you want?
Give me one of your fiery nails.
What?
Give me one of your fiery nails.
Mana was right. Flames flare from the tips of her fingers.
Gee, you're silly.
She swipes her hand and a flame flies towards Mana. Quickly, he catches the flame and cradles it in his hands. A gust of wind blows out the flame.
Go away, Mana, you tea.
Bravely, he catches another flame. Carefully now, Mana. Oh no, not again.
Mana, I told you to go away.
Mana tries many times to carry the flames outside with him.
Seriously, Mana, stop annoying me.
His sister slams the door. Oh dear, now what are you going to do? Aha! Mana knows of another entrance. This is his last chance. There is only one fiery fingernail left.
Mana, go away.
Duck, Mana! The flame flies into the trees and they catch on fire. Quick, Mana, do something! Quick as a flash, Mana bravely puts out the fire. Poor Mana. Now what will he do? All of the flames have gone.
Aha!
Mana remembers the power of the fire is now in the trees. He rubs some sticks together. Oh, and like magic, fire! Mana found the fiery fingernails, and now he has created fire from the spark that was trapped within the trees. Well done, Mana.